Grape again, I guess it is. Grape again. Oh my God! Oh, hello. My name is Stephen Lynn. You may recognize me from some other environmental films such as the Crabgrass Trilogy or Go Green or Die. I may not be as recognizable because of the lack of my robe that I usually wear, which was donated by my inconsiderate mother to charity. But that's a story for another day. On tonight's episode, we're going to be talking about the Rainforest Alliance. Now, besides for providing you with that comical commercial that you just saw, the Rainforest Alliance has a not-so-humorous agenda. Let's take a look. We're going into some woods that are getting some logging companies in there right now. They're clear cutting. Hello, sir. What is your name?
Well, my name is Chuck Bilson.
And what is your job?
I'm a logger for a Fortune 500 company. It's called Jeffrey Dahmer Industries or something.
I see. What kind of so it's a logging company.
Yes.
What kind of logging practices does this company use?
Well, basically, that we go to a forest and just cut down trees. Just whatever we see, we just cut them all down.
Don't you realize how horrible that is for the environment, though? That's not sustainable at all.
Man, I don't know. I just go to a forest, I do what I'm told, and I cut down trees. What do you want from me?